Hi guys. Scala hosting versus Gantt, why you might choose it for your site. Scala hosting has become one of the most talked about hosting companies in recent years, especially among user hosts looking for fast VPS hosting or without the high price. In this video, we are taking a closer look at what Scala hosting offer, how it performs, and who should consider using it in 2025. Scala hosting biggest highlight is its focus on VPN hosting. Unlike many companies, they try to push shared hosting fast. Scala hosting puts real effort into giving user a powerful, scalable VPS environment at a budget-friendly cost. Their customer build control panel called S panel is one of the standout feature. It works similarly to cPanel but does not require extra licenses fees, meaning you get more value for your money and a more control over your hosting environment. Performance is another strong point. Scala hosting provider SSD storage, optimized server, and a good server level security. Website hosting on Scala hosting other often load quickly even under moderate traffic. It designed for users who want hosting with it noticeable faster than traditional shared hosting but still affordable enough for smaller and more medium websites. Ease of use is also an important part of the experiences. Even though Scala hosting focus on more advanced hosting, the setup process is beginner friendly. You can launch WordPress or other platform quickly, manage email account, assess backup, and adjust performance setting through a simple dashboard. It strikes a balanced middle ground between beginner hosting and full developer level hosting. Customer support is another reason many people choose Scala hosting. Their support team is now for fast, responsive, friendly services and real technical knowledge. Whatever you are migrating a site, dealing with performance issues, setting up a VPS, and support team tend to help quickly and effectively. Pricing depend on the type of hosting you choose. Shared hosting affordable, but the real value beginning when you move to their VPS plan. You get dedicated resources, stronger security, and more speed without paying the high price you would see from big hosting brand. Renewal price to increase, but the overall value remains strong compared to similar competitor. No hosting provider is perfect. Though Scala hosting has fewer data center locations than some large companies, which may matter if your audience is in a specific region for from available server. Also, if you only need a very basic website, you might not fully use the power that Scala hosting provides. But for growing website businesses, site agency, or online store, the extra performance is worth it. So, who should choose Scala hosting? It's ideal for users who want better speed than shared hosting, stronger security, and the flexibility of a VPS without paying enterprise price. If you are serious about your website performance or you expect your site to grow, Scala hosting can be an excellent long-term option. If you are just starting a small personal blog, it may be more power than you need, but for professional project, it's great fit. In the end, Scala hosting offer a strong combination of speed, value, and support. It's smart choice for anyone who wants reliable hosting that can grow with their website.